what you experience in the South this time of year. We're gonna try to redeem ourselves tonight, though. Colton, get him.
Suddenly, a buck appears out of nowhere, and Colton only has seconds to draw a bead on him.
You feel good about it? Now, was that close enough for you? Listen. Was it on the shoulder or behind the shoulder?
Probably. I don't know. Here, Daddy. Daddy.
There he is, bud.
Money boy.
Huh?
Daddy.
Is he dead?
Yeah. Oh, yeah!
Give me 5, bud. Huh?
It's love.
You tracked him up, man. Good job, buddy. It don't get no better than that, does it?